My name is Ozo, and let me share my story with you. With 13 years, I founded my first company, and it wasn't really a serious business, it wasn't a big business, but it was a business which generated money. And a couple of years later, when I was 18 years old, I founded my first really serious business with employees, with an office and all that. And in my first month of business, I did $48,500. I just remember this number like it was yesterday. And I want to share this story with you because 3 years later, after I was in business, I lost everything. I lost my money. I lost my place where I could stay, so I had to sleep on the couch. And at the end of the day, I lost my freedom. And I want to share this story with you. So I know how it feels if you can't pay your bills. I know how it feels if you need to sleep on a couch of somebody else. I know how it feels if you can't support your family. But I know as well how it is if you living the other life. If you can't support the people you love, if you can't support the community, if you can't afford things which other people can't afford, if you can't stay at a beautiful place like this here, take a look at it. After I was released from jail, I had no idea what to do with my life. And I remember the day like it was yesterday, where I thought to myself, it's over. I thought to myself, it's over. You are not a loser anymore. And I made a decision. I made a decision that I will live over my limits, that I will live and move forward and fight for my dreams. And that's what I actually did. And after I did this decision, 1 year after, I had a company evaluated at $100 million. And I'm sick and tired of all this Instagram, social media, gurus, entrepreneurs, advisors who try to teach you any stuff about business, but they actually never did a real business. And I guarantee you that I am in business since I'm 13 years. I have some knowledge which I want to hand over to you, which I want to share with my community, and I'm 100% sure you can benefit from it. So if you think you can benefit from it, then sign in right now. It's completely for free. You will get a second email with a video in it where everything is explained, how everything is working, and I promise you, you will be surprised what for a value will be in this email. And I'm happy to see you in the next video. So stay tuned and we see us. Bye.